Hey everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to do a nail tutorial on this set right here, and I'm also going to do an unboxing of Born Pretty's new reflective flash glitters, and they are so gorgeous. This is the black one right here and it is so stunning. So first of all, I'm going to show you 6 of the bottles that Born Pretty sent over to me. So these are the new reflective glitters that they've brought out, and as always I have a 10% discount code and I will leave it in the description box. So this is the first one. It's Glitter Reflective Gel 01 and they have the little name GR01 at the side. So this is a gorgeous gold glitter. Now I was really surprised because usually when I think of flash glitters, I always think of a really fine glitter, and I don't know why, but I just always think flash glitters are really fine glitters. These aren't. These are like medium-sized glitters, as you can see. That's one coat right there. I'm going to do one coat of each colour, and then I'm going to do the second coat off camera and show you how they look with the second coat at the end. But this is GR02. And again, this is a beautiful kind of a rose gold colour, and you can see the coverage in them. They're just absolutely so full coverage. I would run to get these. I honestly would. These are just so beautiful. Every single colour is so good. So this one is GR03 and this is a traditional pinky glitter. So this is the same, they're all the same texture, so they all have the same, I would say, medium type glitters. So they're not fine, they're not big chunky hexagons or anything like that. They're medium glitters and they are so full coverage. And this one here is GR04 and this is a pure kind of a silver reflecting all the AB colours. So I'm just going to let you watch the rest of these swatches and I'm going to come back to you in a few minutes. And I hope you're enjoying this video so far. If you are, give it a little like and I will come back in a few minutes. How pretty are these? This is the flash on and this is 2 coats and the Born Pretty top coat over them, and this is flash on, but I'm also going to show you with flash off. So this is flash off and they are just so sparkly. Even with flash off they stand out a mile. So festive season, these are going to be perfect. So I really wanted to use them and do a design because they were so pretty, and I decided to go with the black one as the basis to my whole design. And I said I would do the thumb full coverage black glitter and also the pinky full coverage black glitter. So I'm just going to do a little coat of that, and I'm just showing you right there how pretty it is. I really love the black one. The black one was so unusual to me. I know there are black glitters like this. It's not like it's the newest thing ever, but I just don't personally have a black glitter like that, so I was just in love with it. Now this is JN63, so this is also from Born Pretty, but it's not from that collection. It's just one of their nude shimmery based glitters, and I use this a lot for French. So I'm just going to go in and I'm going to paint a coat of this onto the 3 middle nails, and then I'm going to come back to you for the next part of the design. So on to the fun part now, the design. I pulled out these black rhinestones that I got recently enough, and I haven't used them at all, I don't think. So I pulled those out and I went in with my McCart rhinestone glue, and I'm just going to pop some of that glue in the centre of the nail, and then I'm going to do a little crystal placement on the centre of that nail. So nothing too hectic, it was just something to give it a little bit of bling, and very, very simple. You're going to see me, I'm just going to pop on some rhinestones and a couple of caviar beads, and then that is this little crystal placement done. So once that's in place, I just pop it in the lamp to cure, and then I'm going to go in and do my French. Now, fun fact, I don't think I've ever in my life done a French with the brush from a bottle, and for some reason I just went and done it with these nails here. Wasn't even planning on doing it, but I just used the brush from the bottle to plonk on some of the glitter, and then I just kept going and went and did the French with it. So and I think it worked out really well. I've never done this in my life though. I think I've always used a liner brush for a French. So yeah, it was kind of random, but it really worked. So I went and did the same thing then with the next nail, and I think it was more out of laziness. I was just dragging the brush going, will this work? Yeah, keep going. So yeah, it worked well. And yeah, I really like how this French turned out. So there you go, a little bit of a cheat. I don't think this would work for me on a natural nail though. If I was doing a client, it really wouldn't, because the polish would probably go all over the skin. But when you're working with a press on, it is a little bit easier. So yeah, I think these Frenchies turned out really cute. I went and grabbed my Glitterbels gel paint because I don't have any black at all from Born Pretty, so I had to just grab this from Glitterbels, and going in with my liner brush that I use for absolutely everything. It's so beat up and it's so well loved, but it's such a good little brush. So I just have minimal paint on the brush, and then I'm just starting off drawing the bow like this. So I think the trick is not to have too much product on your brush for a detail like this, because it really doesn't need it. So I just draw those two little circles first. I always think they look like those little goggles that a superhero would wear. And then I'm just kind of dragging down the paint with the excess that's on the brush. So I'm not adding any more paint there. I'm just kind of using what's on the brush, and I'm drawing down those little ribbons. Just kind of very, very gently, and just going over them, making them look like they kind of flow. So it is really easy, and these bows are still on trend. So I pop that into the lamp to cure, and then I'm going to pull out this glitter from Born Pretty. It's their Super Silver in a pot. And using a dotting tool, I am just going to do a little dot in the middle, and that looks like a little diamond, and it's so cute. So that's exactly how I did those nails, and this is how they turned out, and this is how they looked. Let me know down below if you like them, and of course comment if you have any suggestions or any feedback on the set. And I do have that discount code in the description box for 10% off Born Pretty. See you in the next one.